Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is an in the post and this is in the post number 32. I've got a few things to show you, one of which is a new coin that you can only get if you do the experience of the mint or you visit the mint in some way. This is very much like the Welsh Dragon I showed a few weeks ago now, probably a couple of weeks back. This is a Northern Ireland coin. It's a £5 coin. It is this year. As I said, you can only pick these up at the mint. I will be doing a full review of this in a later video, so please look that up. I also have on here, I have another French €2 coin. This €2 coin is a Jacques Chirac birthday coin, and again I'll be doing a video on that in the near future. This one is a current Strike Your Own that is going to shortly be taken over by the Coronation Strike Your Own. This is the Royal Mint 50p of Hogwarts School, which is the last of the Harry Potter series. Again, as with all of these, I will be doing a review of the actual item in a video in a short period of time. These last few I can come down a little bit. Whoops. Oh. As you might have seen over the previous videos, including the videos that I do for the In the Post, I have been collecting coins from Vatican City. As I said before, I'm not particularly religious or such like, but I'm trying to get as many popes on the coin as possible. This one is a 10 Solari coin issued by the Vatican City. Again, I will be doing a review on that very shortly. I have here two coins from the USA. They're quarters, and they're the new women's quarter for the second of this year's series. The first one I've reviewed just recently, and you've just seen it. This is the second one, and this will be Maria Tall Chief, who is an American Indian or Native American person who was the head of one of their tribes. And the last coin is the last of the 1967 silver coins from Canada that I needed in the set. This is the 50-cent wolf, and silver coin. It's a 50-cent coin from 1967. So, not much here. I do have a shed load of stuff coming in over the next week to 10 days, which I'm looking forward to, and I'll be doing another in the post to cover those. You'll be seeing these over the next couple of months or so, depending on when I can fit them into the schedule. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to the channel. So it doesn't cost you anything, either the thumbs up or the subscription. So if you have enjoyed these videos, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, memorabilia, collectibles and militaria. Of course I also do banknotes. So until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.